Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of tattoo machines. Whether you're a professional tattoo artist or just starting out, having the right tools is crucial. So, I've rounded up the top 5 best tattoo machines for 2025 that are making waves in the industry. We'll cover their features, pros, cons, and help you decide which one is perfect for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Mast P10 Ultra Tattoo RCA Machine Pen. First up, we have the Mast P10 Ultra Tattoo RCA Machine Pen. This sleek machine is designed for precision and comes with a complete kit, including an OLED screen power supply, cartridge needles, and more. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. Pros: the OLED screen power supply is super user-friendly and provides clear visibility of settings. It's lightweight and ergonomic, making it comfortable for long tattoo sessions. The cartridge needle system ensures easy setup and minimal vibration. Overall, the Mast P10 Ultra is a solid choice if you're looking for a high-quality, all-in-one tattoo machine. Number 2. Yilong Max Professional Wireless Rotary Tattoo Pen. Next, we have the Yilong Max Professional Wireless Rotary Tattoo Pen. This wireless machine is a game-changer for artists who value mobility and flexibility. Pros: wireless design gives you complete freedom of movement. It's super quiet and has minimal vibration, which is great for detailed work. The build quality is excellent and it's compatible with most cartridge needles. If you're looking for a reliable wireless option, the Yilong Max is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Flux Max Pro Tattoo Machine. At number 3, we have the Flux Max Pro Tattoo Machine. This machine is packed with advanced features including a 3-level memory mode and an LED digital display screen. Pros: the 3-level memory mode allows you to save your preferred settings, which is a huge time saver. The LED display is bright and easy to read even in low-light conditions. It's versatile and works well for both lining and shading. The Flux Max Pro is a powerhouse machine that's perfect for artists who want advanced features and precision. Number 4. FLUK Max Tattoo Machine Pen. Coming in at number 4 is the FLUK Max Tattoo Machine Pen. This machine is known for its powerful 2,400 mAh battery and coreless motor design. Pros: the 2,400 mAh battery provides long-lasting performance, perfect for back-to-back sessions. The coreless motor ensures smooth operation and minimal noise. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it great for detailed work. If you need a reliable machine with excellent battery life, the FLUK Max is a great option. Number 5. Tattoo Kit POSEIDON High Power Tattoo Pen. Finally, we have the POSEIDON High Power Tattoo Pen. This machine is designed for high performance and comes with a gradient power supply for precise control. Pros: the gradient power supply allows for fine-tuning, which is great for different tattooing styles. It's powerful yet lightweight, making it easy to handle. The kit includes everything you need to get started, making it a great value for money. It's not wireless, which might be a downside for some artists. The POSEIDON is a fantastic choice for artists who want a high-performance machine at an affordable price. So, there you have it, the top 5 best tattoo machines for 2025. Each of these machines has its own unique features and benefits, so the best choice really depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're a beginner, the POSEIDON or Yilong Max might be your best bet. For professionals, the Mast P10 Ultra or Flux Max Pro offer advanced features and precision. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited about or if you've tried any of these machines. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.